Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you and discussing some ways that you can level up quickly in Township, so let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game, which is pretty similar to games such as Farmville or mainly Farmville 2, and the whole point is creating your own township, expanding it, getting more people to live in your township, and so on and so forth, and it is a very pleasant sort of relaxing game which you can play after work or after school or during work, whatever you would like, and it is pretty amusing if you need something to spend your time on. Now, the whole point is to build your township, play with friends, and to unlock better gear, or I guess you could say buildings, structures, and so on and so forth. You do need to be higher levels. Now, you gain levels by actually playing the game, by feeding your livestock, by doing helicopter or vehicle orders, and so on and so forth, and that is the main way that you gain levels. And as you gain more levels, you unlock better and better gear, structures, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, I'm using the Reddit thread of this user right here, who asked what some sort of good methods to level up quickly are. I'm using this since my recording software for my phone is a bit glitchy, I guess you could say, as of late, so I'll just be using this. Now, as you can see, the first recommendation is not to level up too fast, since the whole point of the game is to enjoy building your settlement and to, of course, expand it and just relax in the destination, or in the journey, so to say, not the destination. Now, what else? The main method of leveling up fast is pretty much working on helicopter and train orders, and that's pretty much the fastest way. However, I would recommend you that you just ignore it, level up at your own pace, don't level up too quickly, and everything should be fine. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.